Understanding On-Chain Governance, a comprehensive guide. On-chain governance is a pivotal mechanism in the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. It serves as a system for managing and implementing changes to cryptocurrency blockchains. This article will explore what on-chain governance is, how it operates, its advantages and disadvantages, and its future potential. What is on-chain governance? On-chain governance refers to the integrated voting systems programmed directly into the blockchain. This architecture allows stakeholders to propose changes and vote on whether these changes should be accepted or rejected. Key stakeholders include developers, validators, token holders, and any other members within the blockchain's ecosystem. Key takeaways. Integrated voting system. On-chain governance is built into the blockchain technology, allowing for transparent voting and decision-making. Community-centric. It enables a community-driven approach to implementing changes. Open proposal system. Any participant with voting rights can propose changes to the blockchain. Understanding on-chain governance. The mechanics of on-chain governance allow for voting procedures to be conducted seamlessly on the blockchain. Typically, changes are proposed through collaborative platforms such as GitHub, Discord, or online forums. Following the proposal, participating stakeholders receive voting requests through their wallets or user interfaces. Each individual casts their vote, and the system automatically computes and records the results. Voting mechanics. Proposal submission. Changes can be submitted by any stakeholder, although core developers generally spearhead proposals due to their understanding of the software. Voting process. The voting criteria differ across blockchains, influencing how many votes are necessary for approval, the weight of each vote, and whether voters receive incentives for participation. Once a proposal passes, developers implement the change, potentially creating a fork if the new version diverges from the original. If the proposal fails, the blockchain continues its operations as before. Challenges in implementation. Despite the innovation of on-chain voting, several hurdles remain. Manual implementation. Forks and changes are not automatically enacted after a vote. Manual coding, bug testing, and deployment are still necessary processes, meaning full decentralization is not yet realized in practice. Types of on-chain governance models. The implementation of on-chain governance varies among blockchains. For example, Tezos employs a self-amending ledger, where community-approved changes are first executed on a test net. If successful, these changes are then applied to the main net, whereas unsuccessful changes are rolled back without impacting the main blockchain. The future of on-chain governance. As blockchain technology evolves, on-chain governance is expected to play a vital role in enhancing the transparency and trustworthiness of networks. Many proponents envision its application in decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, enterprise decision-making, and even legislative processes. Challenges ahead. One of the most pressing issues with on-chain governance is the risk of centralization. With voting power often concentrated among token holders or influential bodies, the intended democratic nature of the system can become undermined. Advantages of on-chain governance. On-chain governance offers several notable benefits. 1. Decentralized decision-making. Stakeholders collectively make decisions, ensuring that changes are community-driven rather than dictated by a select group of developers. 2. Faster turnaround for changes. The automated nature of voting allows for quicker responses to proposed changes compared to traditional governance models. 3. Accountability to stakeholders. Developers are obligated to follow the voting outcome, ensuring that community preferences are respected. Disadvantages of on-chain governance. Despite its advantages, on-chain governance also faces significant drawbacks. 1. Low voter turnout. Just as in traditional elections, low participation rates can lead to a scenario where a small, centralized group effectively controls decision-making, undermining the decentralization goal. 2. Stakeholder manipulation. Token holders with significant stakes can sway the voting process in their favor, often prioritizing profit over the blockchain's long-term health. This dynamic can skew decision-making away from the broader community's needs. Key questions about on-chain governance. What is on-chain governance? On-chain governance is a blockchain voting mechanism that empowers stakeholders to vote on and influence the direction of blockchain development. Does Ethereum have on-chain governance? While the main Ethereum blockchain itself does not feature on-chain governance, governance tokens have been created on the Ethereum blockchain for various projects which utilize similar concepts. What is the difference between on-chain and off-chain governance? On-chain governance involves decentralized participation in decision-making directly on the blockchain, whereas off-chain governance is managed by a select group of individuals. Conclusion. On-chain governance represents an intriguing development in cryptocurrency and blockchain technology, offering a more democratic form of decision-making. While its implementation faces various challenges, its potential for fostering community engagement and enhancing transparency in blockchain operations is significant. As communities continue to evolve around these technologies, the principles of on-chain governance may well play a central role in shaping the future landscape of blockchain governance. For additional insights and developments in on-chain governance, explore trusted resources and participate actively in blockchain communities to stay informed about the latest trends and discussions.